Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. I've got a quick little video here. It is an unboxing of something that I placed an order for on Etsy. Came in a cute little blue pouch. Let's just quickly open it. Let me get the invoice out of the way. Okay. That's such a pretty blue. It came in this cute little pouch. Now, I've ordered from this shop before. It is called Charmed Goodz on Etsy. She makes some of the most adorable charms and book knots, like monkey fist bookmarks, and let's see. I haven't ordered in a while. I think the last time I ordered, her shop had a different name, but now it's called Charmed Goodz. I think it was like, I can't remember what it was called. It started with like a creations or creation. I'm horrible with pronouncing. Charmed Goodz. Traveler's notebooks and accessories. She makes leather traveler's notebooks, and like they've got these really beautiful stamping and embossing and these beautiful hand-dyed colors, really beautiful. Thanks so much for another order, John. Your continued support really means the world to me. I hope these colors match your cover as much as I think they will. She's such a sweet person. And like I first found her on Instagram years ago when I first got my first couple of sets of bookmarks or monkey fists. But they're different sizes than what I'm using right now. So now I'm using this beautiful standard folio. And so I got some monkey fists to match it. I thought both of these would look good. I have this in like the B6 size, and then I didn't have this, but this is a new color. It's like a moss green, and look how amazing they look. Wait, she's very smart. She tied them so they don't fall out. I was like, why can't I get this? Oh, it's tied. That's why I can't get this. Oh. And they're leather. It is leather, like a leather cording. I have no idea how they make that stuff, but it's incredibly durable. Oh, and she even included a little charm. It says, "Heart my dog." Oh. And it says, "I'm not sure if you're a charm kind of guy, but I couldn't resist sending you this, knowing how much you love your fur babies." Oh, that's so sweet. And there's a paw print on the back. She has some of the most interesting charms on like paper clips. You know, those beautiful teardrop paper clips. Like I think I've got one in here. Maybe, maybe not. She puts like charms on them, and she makes these beautiful charms to put on your closure elastic. She also makes the bookmarks where one side is a knot and the other side is beautiful charms and beads. But look at that. So I got these because of this right here. Well, because of all of my standard ones that I've been using. Like here's the one I'm using for Patreon for all of my artwork and stuff. But look at that. Look how beautiful those colors go. They bring out the reds and peaches and neutral tones in the flowers. And then look at that. It's a beautiful contrasting color. And I love this sort of foliage, leafy, sappy, olivey green. They're both gonna look good. I don't know what to use. Maybe we'll use the green one first because there's more of the other colors on here. So we'll mark the middle of the month. There we are. And then we'll run it through the week. Look at that. Can you see? Probably not. And then just so you can see what the others would look like with it. Hey, look at that. So beautiful. I'm really excited that I have these. Here, we'll put these like this, just so you can see what they would look like in the notebook as well. Very beautiful. They both complement this so well. Okay, that was a very quick little unboxing today. I just thought I would share these lovelies. I was in the middle of doing some watercolor swatches with some paints that I moved into this new tin, and all of a sudden, ding dong, the mailman delivered. Okay, I will link down below Charmed Goodz, her Etsy store, and on Instagram at Charmed Goodz. No, just the note was on the back there. Okay, so there we are. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.